Really?
Yeah, let's see it.
All right.
So this is our first look at the room. So, what did we get here? Oh, this is nice. I could hang out here.
Nice.
Nice. So yeah, we'll keep this area clean and we'll mess up one of the other rooms.
Nice views. Look at that. This is so fun. And you can see the mountains.
Yeah, you can.
Hey, look at the mountains.
You'll see the D.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
Nice high floor, 55th floor. Look at the bar for a second. And turn on the lights. Look at the room. Shower. Probably more lights to turn on.
Ah, so cute.
We'll keep this nice and clean for wedding photography. You need a nice floor shower.
Oh, this is a nice view, though.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Look at this.
This will work,
Look at this.
right? I hope it had blackout curtains at night.
Hey folks, I'm just going to slide in here for a minute to tell you about my favorite power station, the Jackery 1000 V2. It's our go-to power hub that keeps us connected indoors and outdoors. Even when it's just chilling on a shelf, it's set up as a UPS in my home office so I can still use my computer and the internet in case of a power outage. But most of the time, we use it for our outdoor adventures, camping, road trips, you name it. With its 1070 watt-hour capacity, 1500 watts of AC output with 3000 peak watts, it can power any appliance we have, including the microwave. In a pinch, you can do an emergency charge 0 to 100% in an hour, or 1.7 hours of standard AC charging, and my personal favorite, 3.8 hours with 2 of the handy-dandy Solar Saga 200 watt solar panels. In fact, now is a great time to get a bundle, or whatever you like, because Prime Big Deal Days are coming up, where you can get the lowest prices of 2025. I'm talking up to 65% off. Crazy. Some other notable features of the Jackery 1000 V2, it's 18% smaller than the previous generation, so it fits easily in the trunk, or sometimes I let mine ride up front. It's also lighter at only 10.8 kilograms, which makes it 30% lighter than the previous generation. And that foldable handle makes it really easy to carry and move around. It's also got multiple ports. I'm talking 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, one of which is 100 watts, nice, and a USB-A port, plus the car DC output. And it's a Life PO4 battery, which means it's going to last a long time. I'm talking 70% plus capacity after 10 years using it daily. Oh yeah. And again, it's great for those outdoor adventures, and I don't have to worry about it getting dusty or bumped around because it's got 62 layers of protection with that Charge Shield 2.0 battery management system. Keeps me and my family powered up wherever we go. So if you want to get one, I especially recommend getting Jackery's exclusive dual product bundle. Enjoy the biggest discount of the Prime Big Deal Days, up to 65% off. Perfect for essential home backup that can power multiple rooms at once, so your family stays worry-free no matter where you are. Nice. So there you go. Check out the links below for Prime Big Deal Days up to 65% off. Watson out.
I hope it had blackout curtains at night.
Exactly.
Slotzilla is over there for space reference. Well, we are way up there, huh?
Wow. I like this. This is cute.
Oh, I'm stuck in behind this curtain.
That's great. Like the TV's over here. Like if you want to watch TV.
There's not much room for a TV, huh? Well, that'll work. That's nice. Show off the closets.
All right. Let's see. We need to hang up our clothes.
Oh, look at this.
Automatic lighting. I like that.
Yeah,
We have
nice.
the
Plenty of
slippers,
room.
Slippers and
Full-length body mirror. Body massage.
steamer. Oh, I brought my own just in case.
Oh, good, good, good. And a safe.
We got double.
Oh, they have an iron.
Nice.
Well, that's nice. I would stay here.
gonna get married. I'll make sure that we